Hello everyone, this is Muhammad Ilyas Azim. Welcome to the fifth tutorial on data extraction from GitHub using PyGithub library. In this tutorial, we are going to discuss about commits and extracting data related to commits from a specific project. Before I move to discuss about commits and show you the code, I would like to give you a suggestion how to use your access token. In the last almost four videos, I have used the access token and I have just pasted it here in code. But later on, I deleted that access token because anyone else can use that access token and that could be a threat to your account. So the best way is either to save your access token in your system environment variable, and if you think that it is a bit like longer procedure, what you can do is to create a file, like as I have created a file config.py, which is a Python file. Just create a file in the same directory. As you can see, my scripts directory. I have created a file. It is up to you to create a method which returns your access token, or you can create a variable and assign your access token to that variable. In your file in which you want to access it, you can, from these scripts, you can import that file, the config file, and you can easily use the method, or either you can use the token directly. For example, if I want to use it, config.access token. So both are okay. You can just access it. So the reason why I show it to you, because this way you can keep your access token secret and you can use it later as many times as you want. One point which is very important: the current directory that you have, it must be a package. This is a directory and this is a package. How you differentiate between a directory and a package? A package contains this file, which is an empty file. If you don't have this empty file, this import statement will not work. So it is just an empty file. Either you can come here and you can create a Python package, or the Python package will contain that file by default. If you have a directory, you can just click here, script file, and you can create that file, which is __init__, and just click enter. That file will be created. So you can then import the config file and access your access token. Okay, I have already written the code. So extract project commits. This is the project. I will pass the name of the project, any project name. It will start extracting commits. As usual, I have created an empty data frame. Inside while, I have a try block. With the help of access token, I need every page to return 100 results, and retry equals to 20. From this project, get the repository of this project, and for now you can just ignore these dates. I will tell you later. And from this repository, get all the commits. For now, I just want to extract all the commits, so I will not discuss any parameters. After extracting all the data, I will discuss how you can use the rest of the parameters and the git commits. So from this project, for which we got the repository of the project, get all the commits, and I will loop through all the commits and extract certain information, like the commit SHA. SHA represents the branch from which you want to extract, and the default, the SHA represents the branch to which the commits have been submitted, and the commit author represents the person who is committed the commit. Now, what is a commit? A commit is the source code which has been updated in the Git repository. And let me show you here in the project. Suppose this is the project from which we want to extract these commits. So this project have in total 1872 commits. Let me click on it, and you can see that what does a commit actually contain. A commit has a title, and this is the code. Each commit represents the code. This code has been updated. This line has been deleted, and this has been updated here. This is the new line which is added to the commit. So what we can do is to extract information related to commits, like who has submitted the commit, the time on which the commit has been submitted. So later on, we can make some kind of analysis to find out how many commits have been submitted in 2012, how many commits have been submitted in a specific month, in a specific hour, or how many commits have been submitted by Elias, or how many commits have been submitted by XYZ. So we want to extract these information, and this code here will do this job for us. Check if the author is available, then extract its login, which is the username. Otherwise, just assign an empty value here. Similarly, for name, again check the author. If the author name is available, assign it to this value. Similarly, the email and the created date mean the time at which the commit has been created. You are familiar with the rest of the code. I will just add you one thing. In the previous code, I didn't add this while loop. If you add this while loop inside the for loop, it will make the code more robust. If any exception occur here, it will go to the next commit. And what I want, if any exception occur, if while is present, then if any exception occur, it will try again and again until that commit data is extracted successfully. If I do not use the while loop here, what will happen if any exception occur? It will come here, and after it will come to the top of the loop, and that commit will be excluded. So I do not want that. If any exception occur, I want to wait for that commit and extract it. When that commit is extracted, then come out of the while loop and go to the next commit. I have already run this code, and I have already extracted this data set, but I will run it in front of you. It will take little time. You are already familiar with the rest of the code. This is for exception handling, so I do not need to explain it. The important point for you here is to how to get the commits and how to loop through those commits and extract your required data. This. So the extraction process will take some time. I will show you the data set that I have already extracted. This one. You can see here. Once you run the code successfully, you will see a data set like this. So we have the SHA value of the commit, the committer date on which the commit has been submitted. This is the person email who has submitted the commit. This is the name, and this is the username. So I hope you would be able to run this code easily and extract the data from GitHub. For now, I will just stop the processing. As you can see, it is working fine. Let me tell you about some parameters that you can pass. You can see here the date and time. This is the format for date and time that you can pass to this class, this method, sorry. It has a parameter since. So since means the time from which you want to extract the pull request. Like since this time, I want all those pull requests after this time. Like after 2019 January, I want to extract all the commits related to this project. So you can pass this parameter. We have another parameter until. Until, and here you can specify the end time. It means that from this time to this time. So suppose I want to start from 2010 January 2010, first day of January, and extract pull requests until 2012 March 31st. So this would be the syntax. Suppose I want to extract pull request related to specific author. For example, author. I can do it in front of you because it will take little time. I will just extract. I have already performed one operation, so I will choose. This guy has submitted many pull requests. Many commits. Let me extract the commits of this person. Control C. And I will come here. And you can see here. And I will pass it as a string. Once I run this code, it will extract commits submitted by this user. Only by this user, and I will give it a name, commit by author _1. Once I start extracting it, you can see here code runs successfully. It is running. This person has submitted 135 commits in total to this project. So the code will take little time to complete. I will show you the existing data set that I have. Yes, you can see that all the commits belong to this person, Steve. This person has submitted these pull requests. I hope you would have got an idea how to extract commits related to a specific project, and then how you can use the date and time from this time to this time, or from starting time, like the time from which the project has been created until this time. You can try that. Similarly, you can also use the author parameter to extract commits related to one specific author. The processing has completed, yes, successfully, and we have extracted 135 commits information, and you can see it here. So I hope you would have got an idea of this code. This code will be available on the link given in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in another video. Goodbye.